Module 14 SQL injection. Concept, scenario, threats, attacks. Server side technology, HTTP, post request. Example, normal SQL query, SQL injection query. Code analysis, bad product list, ASPX, attack analysis, updating table, adding new record, identifying the table name, deleting table, testing, injection detection, error message, attack characters, additional method to detect SQL injection, black box pen testing, type simple, unicorn, error based, blind SQL injection, wait for delay, S or no response, exploitation, MySQL, extract database user, extract database name, extract column name, extract data from rows, methodology. Information gathering through error message, understanding SQL query, bypass website login using SQL injection, database table and advanced column enumeration, features of different DBMS, creating database account, password grabbing server hashes, extracting SQL hashes in a single statement, transfer database to attack machine, interacting with operation system, file system network reconnaissance using SQL injection and full query, SQL injection tool, BSQL hacker, marathon tool, SQL power injector, Havizi. Evasion techniques, evading IDS, sophisticated messages, hacks in coding, manipulating white spaces, inline comment, char encoding, string concatenation of executed codes, countermeasures, defend against SQL injection attack, use and type shape.sql parameters, SQL injection detection tool, Microsoft Server software code analyzer, Microsoft URL scan filter .defender, IBM security app scan web cruiser, SNOT rule to detect SQL injection attack, types of signature. Evasion techniques. Next, module 15, hacking wireless networks. Concept, Wi-Fi network at home and public places. Types of wireless network, wireless standards, service set identifier SSID, Wi-Fi authentication modes, processes using a centralized authentication server, wireless technology, Wi-Fi choking symbols, types of wireless antenna, parabolic grid antenna, wireless encryption, types WEP, WPA, temporal keys, WPA2, WEP-BS, WPA-BS, WPA2, WPA3, WEP issues, weak initialization vector, breaking of WEP, WPA, WPA2, WPA3 encryption, defend against WPA cracking, searching software to crack WEP, WPA, WPA2 and WPA3. Wireless threats, access control attack, integrity attack, confidentiality attack, availability attacks, authentication attack, rogue access point attack, client misassociation, misconfigured access point attack, unauthorized association, ad hoc connection attack, honeypot access point attack, AP/MAC spoofing, denial of service, jamming signal, Wi-Fi jamming devices. Next, wireless hacking methodology. Wi-Fi discovery footprinting. Attackers scanning for Wi-Fi network. Find Wi-Fi networks to attack. Wi-Fi discovery tool in SSIDER, net surveyor, net stumbler, Vistubler, wireless MON, mobile-based Wi-Fi discovery tool, tools from dark web, and another software developer, GPS mapping tool, Wiggle, Skyhook, Wi-Fi hotspot finder, Wi-Fi, discovering Wi-Fi network using word driving tool from dark web and software developers. Next, wireless traffic analysis, wireless cards and chipset, Wi-Fi USB dongle, air pickup, Wi-Fi packet sniper, wire shark with air pickup, cascade pilot, OmniPic, ComView for Wi-Fi, spectrum analysis, launch wireless attack, launching techniques of wireless attack, hacking3, shoot, reveal hidden SSID, fragmentation attack, launch MAC spoofing attack, denial of service, deauthentication and dissociation attack, man in the middle attack, MITM attack using hacking3, launch wireless attack, hacking3 shoot, reveal hidden SSID, fragmentation attack, launch MAC spoofing attack, denial of service, deauthentication and disassociation attack, man in the middle attack, MITM attack using hacking3, wireless ARP poisoning attack, rogue access point, email twin, set up a fake hotspot, evil twin, crack Wi-Fi encryption, crack WEP using hacking3, a screenshot, crack WPA PSK using hacking3, WPA hacking tools, Kismac, WEP hacking using Canary, Romeo and Juliet cracking scale, WPA cracking tool, Elcomos soft wireless security auditor, another tools from webs, dark webs and software developers, wireless hacking tool, Wi-Fi sniper, Kismet, word driving tools, RF monitoring tools, Wi-Fi traffic analyzer tools, raw packet capturing and spectrum analyzing tools, searching tools from dark web and software developers, Bluetooth hacking, stack, threats, bluejack victim tools, super Bluetooth hack, phone snoop, blue scanner, paid and free tool from dark webs. Countermeasures defend against Bluetooth hacking. Detect black rock app wireless security layers defend against wireless attack. Wireless security tools, wireless intrusion prevention systems, IPS development, security auditing tool, air magnet Wi-Fi analyzer, air defense, adaptive wireless IPS, Aruba RF Protect WIPS, scanning tools, Wi-Fi fan testing, penetrating test framework, LEAP, encrypted WLAN, WPA, WPA2, WPA3 encrypted WLAN, WP encrypted WLAN, unencrypted WLAN. Module 16. Hacking mobile, different mobile platforms. Hacking all types of mobile platforms, Chinese as well as branded company mobile platforms. Mobile platform attack vectors, mobile threat report terminology, mobile attack vectors, mobile platform vulnerabilities and risks, security issues arising from app stores, threats of mobile malware, app sandboxing issues, creating fake app, hacking Android OS, Android OS architecture, device administration API, vulnerabilities, routing Android phones using super one-click, routing Android phones using superboot, routing tools, session hijacking, using Droid chip, Android-based sniper, FaceSnip, Android Trojan, Gitmo, Juice in the mobile, Gingerbread, Acnet, Steel and Cow It, Progonal and Gamer, Cab Stambler and Mania, Premius SMS, SMS Spy, Droid Live, SMS and Update Killer, Fake Token, Securing Android devices, Google Apps, Device Policy, Remote Wipe Service, Android Security Tools, Droid Chip Guide, Vulnerability Scanner, X-ray Penetration Testing Tool, Android Networking Toolkit, Anti-Android Device Tracking Tools, Getting different tools from dark web, free and paid services to make attack on Android platforms or mobile. Hacking iOS, security news, Apple iOS, jailbreaking iOS, types, techniques, app platform for jailbreaking device, Cydia, jailbreaking tools, Red Snow and Absinthe. The third jailbreaking of iOS using Red Snow jailbreaking tools, Snow Bridge, Pawnage, PW Nage attack tool, attack on PW Nage tool, Lime, RA1, jailbreakme.com, blackra.in, Spirit guidelines for securing iOS devices, iOS device tracking tools, other tools from dark web and software developers, hacking Windows Phone OS, Windows phones and architecture, secure boot process, vulnerability guidelines for securing Windows OS devices, hacking BlackBerry, BlackBerry OS, BlackBerry Enterprise Solution Architecture, BlackBerry attack vectors, malicious code signing, JD file exploits and memory process manipulations, short message service exploits, email exploit, PIM data attacks and TCP IP connection vulnerabilities, telephony attack, BlackBerry spyware, FinSpy mobile, router protocol, guidelines for securing BlackBerry devices, mobile device management MDM, MDM logical architecture, MDM solution, MAA 360, mobile device management, MDM solutions. Mobile security guidelines and tools, mobile platform security, device security guidelines for administrator, mobile protection tools, build guard mobile security, lookout, WVCLD, mobile pen testing, Android, iPhone, Windows, BlackBerry and other platform pen testing, evading IDS, firewalls, honeypots, module 17, evading IDS, firewalls and honeypots, IDS, firewalls and honeypots concept, intrusion detection system, IDS and their placement, IDS work, ways to detect an intrusion, types of intrusion, detection system, system integrity, verifiers, SIV, system integrity verifiers, general indications of intrusions, indications of system intrusion, firewall architecture, demilitarized zone DMZ, types of firewall, packet filtering firewall, circuit level gateway firewall, application level firewall, a stateful multi-layers inspection firewall, firewall identification, port scanning, firewalking, banner grabbing and honeypot types, IDS, firewall and honeypot system, intrusion detection tool, SNOT rules, SNOT rule action and protocols, the direction operators, SIP address, IP address, direction operators, IP address, port members, intrusion detection system, tipping point, intrusion firewall, zone term pro, honeypot tools, KF sensor, Spectre, evading IDS, attack invasion, DOS, obfuscating false positive generation, session splicing, Unicode evasion technique, fragmentation attack, overlapping fragments, time to live attacks, invalid RST packet, urgency flag, polymorphic shell code, ASCII shell code, application layer attack, desynchronization, pre-connections, SYEN, evading firewalls, IP address spoofing, source routing, tuning fragments, bypass blocked sites, using IP address in place of URL, using anonymous website surfing sites, bypass a firewall through ICMP tunneling method, ACK tunneling method, HTTP tunneling method, external system, MITM attack, honeypots detecting tools, send SAP honeypot hunter, firewall evading tools, traffic IQ professional, TCP over DNS, packet fragment generators. Now countermeasures, penetrating testing firewall ID, modulating, buffer overflow, concept, programs and applications vulnerable to buffer overflow. Understanding stacks, stack-based buffer overflow, heap-based buffer overflow, stack operation, shell code, no operation knobs. Buffer overflow methodology, knowledge required to program buffer overflow exploits, steps attacking a real program, format a string problem, overflow using format string. Smashing the stack. Buffer overflow examples, simple uncontrolled overflow in C code analysis, exploiting semantic commands, C annotations, mutate a buffer overflow exploit, buffer overflow detection, detect buffer overflows in a program, testing for heap overflow condition, heap XCE, steps for testing of stack overflow in OLE-DBG debugger, testing for format string conditions using IDA Pro, B and F detection tool, Immunity Canvas. Buffer overflow countermeasures, defend against buffer overflow, preventing buff attacks. Programming countermeasure, data execution prevention, DEP, enhanced mitigation efficient toolkit, EMAT system configuration setting, EMAT application configuration setting, security tools, GS HTTP /Microsoft.com buffer shield. Module 19 Cryptography, concept types, government access to keys, GAC, encrypting algorithms, ciphers, advanced encryption standard AES, data encryption standard DES, RC4, RC5, RC6, RC7 algorithm, the DSA and related signature scheme, RSA, reversed Samir Edelman. Example of reversed Samir Edelman algorithm, RSA signature scheme, message digest, one-way hash function, message digest function, MD5 secure hashing algorithm, SHA, SSH secure shell. Cryptography tools, MD5 hash calculators, hashcalc, MD5 calculator and hash my files, advanced encryption package, BC text encoder, public key infrastructure, PKI, certification. Authorities, email encryption, digital signature, SSL, secure socket layer, transport layer security, TLS, disk encryption tool, TrueCrypt, Gilly soft full disk encryption, cryptography attack, code breaking methodologies, brute force attack, meet in the middle attack and digital signature scheme. Crypto analysis tool, Crypt tool, online MD5 decryption tool.